So we're just headed back up to get ready for our mobile food tour we're going on in half an hour. So really looking forward to it. With this hotel, you've got a little thing here where you tap your card room number.
Take a card on there first, and then go press a button.
Yeah, and there's no number 4. Hubby reckons number 4's unlucky here, so.
Maybe.
That's interesting. Well, yeah.
And when we first got here, I'm pressing number 15 thinking the light wasn't working to see it doesn't work. And we just stand there going up and down, enjoying the ride, and everybody's getting it on.
Yeah, that was weird.
Yeah.
And it's not really cool in there either.
No.
And the only thing I do find weird is that, like, all the hallways.
The what?
All the hallways to the rooms, like how it's just all carpeted everywhere. I reckon it'd be heaps cooler in here if it wasn't carpet. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We're going to go for a walk right to the end?
Nah.
The glass and say 1, 2, 3, vô.
So let me make it easy for you. So when you're on motorcycle, you say 1 for motorcycle.
Yeah.
And high when you say high, like when you
Oh, more high, yeah.
And bar when you go to the bar.
Okay, you're more high bar.
High bar, yeah.
Yeah.
And yo,
Yo.
yeah.
More high bar. Yo.
Yeah.
More high
I've
bar.
got some jasmine tea and I've got
More
high.
high bar, yo.
Let's go.
Right on you.
Yeah, okay, yep.
Yeah.
Dry slots.
And we have some vinegar and
And
some
chili.
cheese as well. And you can combine all of that into the soup, a little fresh tomato. And squeeze the lemon on it.
Yeah.
So this one only for Asian people, fish sauce.
Yeah.
If you can eat like something fishy, put a little bit.
Okay,
Ah.
yeah. Oh, fishy.
The Asian we love flavor, you put everything.
Yeah.
into the soup. That's
Yeah.
it.
So we've got morning glory here.
Yeah, morning glory,
Bean shoots and
bean sprout,
bean sprout and
Yeah.
banana.
flower,
Flower.
banana blossom as well.
Yeah, right. And we've got the
So this one, recommend you try broth first for hours.
No.
No, not yet, right? So I recommend you go there.
Yeah?
There's something on your neck. Is it a hickey?
Something on your neck?
What's that?
Ah, for
Cool.
my bro fans.
Oh!
Oh, you recorded that way.
Oh,
So
funny. So this is our
That's
second
it,
stop.
1 week ago. That's
So
how long time
funny.
ago. You still have, right?
So naughty. Oh gosh.
Fun.
Look at the orchids, they're so beautiful.
So family, have you heard about the monk burning himself fire?
Yes.
Where did you heard that?
On, media.
Yeah, I see.
The monk's on fire.
He
Yeah.
sits in fuel, sits there and just burns himself.
Oh.
So
I
let me
Yeah.
don't know
show
that.
you. So first we have the monk in the middle. That is him. And then another monk, they pour the gasoline over him.
Oh. Weird. Why did he do that?
I will tell you. And some the white one in mayonnaise. Dry onion.
Yeah.
And this one make from wrap.
Wrap.
Yeah, wrap.
Yeah. So it's got whole.
Okay, that's it. You can pour a little sauce, ketchup, chili sauce, take a bite.
Are they singing happy birthday? It says I'm singing happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh yeah, maybe.
Saigon.
Beer. Saigon, look how they spell it. Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you reckon it's going to taste like?
Yeah.
How is it?
Yeah, at least it's cold. Nice.
Not too strong, right?
Yeah, not bad. Probably nicer than Bintang actually,
Gold medal.
which isn't hard.
without clothes.
So they've got steps and they've got
See
this big smooth
the
bit,
guy he's
so
sleeping
they can
without clothes over
lock their
there.
motorbikes away at
Yeah,
night.
this
to
is
get
public
stolen.
area.
Okay.
But you pay little money in the table for police to earn this area.
Yeah.
You park a motorcycle, you pay money for him,
Yeah.
and him give
Cool,
little back.
Wow.
You look after it.
Yeah.
So they do the same thing as you. That lady girl. That girl, they do the same as you?
Different company.
Yeah, but same?
Yes. So we also have the meaning of flag, our flag. The red stands for our blood.
Yep.
Our blood.
Yeah.
And the star, you see we have 5 golden stars.
So in Vietnam they have yellow and red is lucky colour, and if they hang up the lanterns
Yeah, right.
in front of
Yeah, I
their
always
houses
wondered
and
about that
homes,
stuff.
And,
it will bring them hopefully good fortune.
Our races.
That's pretty cool.
Racist.
So we are down in another place. It's a lot of seafood and stuff like that. I'll insert a few photos that I've taken walking through here. But I'll show you what's in the menu. So we're going to get one of these buns out. They're huge, so we're just going to get one and share it. I'm not even really hungry anymore, so just have a little try. This is the bun sow. This one has the actual prawn shells in it, some don't.
On the dirt.
So, interesting.
I have some farm. I have some
And we got some sauce.
I have farm to roll in.
What kind of sauce is this one?
Fish.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce?
They can buy some radish.
Radish in there.
Yeah. Little sugar, make it sweet.
And then you got the leaves, lettuce and some mint that smells like fish. And you wrap it up. So this one's got the whole prawn. Some have the shells where you can eat it, and others just are done. Like this one shows that it's peeled, not peeled. So that'll be interesting.
And you roll it up. Yeah, make it tighter. Wait for me. I'll put more topping for you.
Nice.
And give it a fish sauce.
What do you reckon of the bun sour, love?
There you go. Really nice.
Yeah.
Còn đó đi gia đình, đi mấy người xuống đây cho. Còn đi ngồi đây luôn nè.
So you wrap the bun sour in some leaves and some mint. Nice. Now what?
My wife has talked me into getting no.
Well, you're not getting it.
Escargot.
He went to get it for us. We're just asking him to see it now. He's like, yeah, we're from. We were brought up eating them. So he's going to buy one. I said, only a little one. Because there's some big ones. I don't want a big one.
See how it goes. I said I'd never eat snail, and here we go.
Well, I ate a chicken heart this morning. I ordered some chicken pho, and I said to one of the locals, oh, what's the best one? He's like, this and this. So we ordered them dishes, and mine had hearts and tubes and entrails and any part of the chicken that wasn't the meat. I tried one of the hearts, but I ate a bit of the stuff with it, and I thought it was going to go down, but everything else went down. It was just like having heart-flavoured chewing gum. It's pretty gross. Oh, look, sugarcane. Sugarcane, no. I said to James I'd love to try sugarcane. Beautiful. What do you got? Passion fruit?
Yes, that's right.
Nice.
I love a little bit sour.
Yeah?
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
50 á em, có khăn không?
Có, 3 căn.
3 khăn hả? 53.000 cân. Đưa.
You have a sip?
Cheers.
Vô.
Oh.
1.
Mong, hai, ba.
Vô.
Vô.
What is it? My high bar?
Mong, hai, ba. Vô.
My... Sorry guys, I pressed stop. Oh my.
This one we call.
Yeah, this is different.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Yeah. So you can combine. First, you take it out.
They're big ones.
Pick one for you.
Oh no, I don't know. I don't think I can.
Yes, you are.
No,
You will. No, you
they're
told me
big,
to.
they're big ones.
So, it's me.
So take
The size of that sucker. Oh no.
You're doing it.
Ooh.
and then
Oh, I don't know.
grab it with the left.
Oh.
Yeah. And then dip in the salt. And this for you.
No, it's too big.
Too
Oh,
big.
no,
So
that's
you
your
take
one.
Smaller one. Okay.
You show me how to
Yeah,
do
take
it.
it.
Oh
Take
my.
one.
You do it.
Oh my god.
You're doing it.
What do they put in with it when they cook it?
Lemongrass.
Just a, Oh my, they're
Oh, go
massive.
grab it.
They are so big.
Oh, how fun. Fiddly and
No.
Right. Good. Let's try for you. Yeah.
I'm a gardener, so it's a bit different for me. Oh no.
Here.
Oh, give me a little one though. They're so big. I want them.
No. A whole lot.
They're so big. No, that's not small.
Oh, yes.
Small. Still not small.
No,
Don't
that's
worry.
bloody big.
It's not. It's beautiful.
Oh, I don't know.
Doing it. It doesn't taste that bad at all. That means it's good.
Just the thought of
It is nice. Don't even think about it.
So did you
Put it down.
You just pull the lemon
Put it down. Grab it with the leaf.
and you take the lemongrass out.
Yeah, you don't need lemongrass.
So like squishy.
Dip it in your sauce.
Is this chili?
It's not hot.
No.
Sweet chili.
Garlic.
Oh, garlic, yeah. Okay. Just think of it as cow balls.
Apple.
In the mouth.
Can I just have, I'll just have
Just
a
say
bite?
no, put the whole thing in
I
there.
really don't want to because I'm scared.
Just do it. It's yummy. I ate it. It tastes good. See?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
I just thought of you know what it is.
Go on, eat the rest.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
The lemongrass is nice.
Yeah, lemongrass is always good.
Wow. Not what I thought it would have tasted
So what would you
like.
give it out of 10?
Maybe a 7?
7? Yeah, good, eh?
Yeah.
You? Okay.
The last one for you.
Yeah.
Last one for me?
Yeah, for you.
Okay.
Ngồi quay rồi gia đình ơi.
Okay, to finish it off, swallow it. It's not that tough.
Hai vợ ngồi bây giờ, hai vợ ngồi sẽ có ngồi vậy.
Okay, so this is like a crepe, kinda, with banana inside, and then it's got all the white stuff is like coconut milk or cream, really quite sweet. It tastes like it's got rice in it. I reckon there's rice around on it,
Yeah?
like sushi. Nice.
Yeah, really good.
We just got back from our food tour. It was really good. They picked us up at 5:30 and we just couldn't eat any more food. There was actually a few places that they went to go to, but they weren't open because of the New Year's thing. Some shops are shut. So that was really good.
Really good.
Yeah, so we went for a drive, or ride, sorry, up to 4, what do you call it, District 4. So that was pretty good. It was fun but scary, being on the back of the scooter. They, yeah, the crazy drivers. She was saying to me that they don't stop for tourists, but the Vietnamese never get run over. So they aim for the tourists then. So yeah, it's quite scary. So I reckon my favourite thing would have been the first stop, which was the pho, and I didn't eat a lot of it. But yeah, that was the nicest to me so far. The nicest thing I've eaten the whole time was actually the banh mi that we got the other night. So, what about you, Henry? What was your...
The pho.
Yeah, the same?
Yeah, the pho that we had today.
Yeah. You mean on the foodie tour?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. The broth was really nice, and it was a lot clearer than the first one. We had it for breakfast this morning, and it was just a bit cloudy. It was still alright. I'm just sitting here with my feet up, and I'm just looking at all the craziness. Oh my god. This is saying to hubby, I wonder if it'll be this mad when we fly to Nha Trang tomorrow. It's only an hour flight, but I'm hoping it's going to be quieter. I've never even seen Bali busy like this ever at all. So, okay, I'm going to leave this vlog here. I'm going to have a shower, get ready for bed, and get a good night's sleep. And we'll do some more videos tomorrow. I don't know, gonna be at the airport lunchtime-ish, so we'll do a room tour of the next hotel and yeah, do a bit more vlogging up that way. Hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.